Ethereum, one of the most popular and innovative cryptocurrencies in the world, is facing some major challenges in terms of scalability, security, and environmental impact. That's why the Ethereum community is working hard to implement a new staking technology and merge with the Ethereum 2.0 network, which will bring significant improvements to the platform and its users. In this video, I will explain what these changes mean. If you are interested in learning more about the future of Ethereum, don't miss this video. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain. Stay in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comment section. Be sure to watch the full video and show your support by liking it if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us just dive in. Ethereum from the start has been the platform that is going through new innovations, and they recently added a new technology. Ethereum was made to make crypto mining and trading more efficient and user-friendly. From accessibility to environmental impact, it is better than the original crypto Bitcoin. This new technology that they added is called staking, and they rephrased it by the name Ethereum 2.0. Now let me tell you what exactly it means and what is its impact. What does Ethereum 2.0 mean? In January 2022, Ethereum was rebranded to Ethereum 2.0, also called ETH 2.0. This evolution was recently completed. It is a multi-phased upgrade designed to enhance the scalability and security of the Ethereum network through a series of infrastructure modifications. They changed the original proof of work to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. In Ethereum 2.0, they added a new layer called the execution layer to the original consensus layer. The consensus layer handles the network security and the execution layer manages the computation and storage. What is Ethereum 2.0 staking? Following the introduction of Ethereum 2.0, the Ethereum network has experienced a remarkable overhaul, addressing its past challenges of exorbitant transaction fees and scalability limitations. The popularity of DeFi strained Ethereum, causing high transaction costs and hindering various applications. However, the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade has addressed these issues, enhancing the security, speed, efficiency, and scalability of the Ethereum network. One major change in Ethereum 2.0 is the switch from mining to staking. In the old system, miners would solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and create new blocks. This was energy-intensive and criticized for its environmental impact. Staking in Ethereum 2.0 allows active participation in transaction validation without the energy-intensive problem-solving process. The validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the amount of Ethereum they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. From 15 transactions per second to 100,000 transactions per second was made possible by this update. How does staking work? In proof of stake, 32 blocks of transactions are bundled into what they call epochs that run in one cycle, averaging around 6.4 minutes. Once two subsequent epochs are added, an epoch achieves finality. The beacon chain, a technology included in Ethereum, in September 2022 forms committees of 128 stakers assigned to shard blocks. Each committee proposes a block within a fixed slot, and one member proposes while others vote and authenticate transactions. The beacon chain synchronizes the network, manages validators, and rewards them. Then sharding process divides the network into shards, maintaining unique states. Validated blocks are linked with crosslinks, which confirms that the transaction is included in the shards. Casper Finality Protocol secures block agreement, and a block is finalized with agreement from 2/3 of validators. After all this, the validator gets rewarded. I tried my best to simplify it. I hope you understood this. It was pretty complex, right? How profitable is Ethereum 2.0 staking? Stakers' rewards in Ethereum depend on the total ETH staked and the number of validators. When the staked ETH pool decreases, the annual interest rate increases. For example, with around 500,000 ETH staked, the annual interest rate was over 20%. However, with over 6,800,000 ETH staked, the APR dropped to around 6%. This reduction occurs as the staking pool grows to foster decentralization. Staking Ethereum offers benefits such as simplified node operation, no substantial hardware or energy requirements, and the option to join staking pools with insufficient ETH. How to stake Ethereum. To stake on the Ethereum network, you need a minimum of 32 ETH, which will be locked for a certain period. Setting up a staking node involves running an Ethereum client, a software that helps your node interact with the network. Popular software clients for staking nodes include 1. Prism, developed in Go. 2. Teku, enterprise-oriented, developed in Java. 3. Lighthouse, developed in Rust. 4. Lodestar, developed by Chain Code Labs using JavaScript or TypeScript. Running these clients requires a computer with enough memory to download the Ethereum blockchain. Validators must maintain a constant connection to the blockchain, so a reliable internet connection is important. Once the validator software is installed, you commit a minimum of 32 ETH to the Ethereum staking contract address. Requirements to begin Ethereum staking. Staking Ethereum not only provides you with the opportunity to earn rewards for contributing to the network, but it also enhances the network's security and sustainability. If you choose to stake solo, you can do so by establishing your staking node and operating the software on your personal hardware. This method does not necessarily require you to provide personal information to a third-party service provider. On the other hand, staking as a service and pooled staking are alternative methods where you entrust your staking rights to a third-party service provider. This provider then oversees the staking process for you. In this scenario, you will typically need to set up an account with the service provider, which may necessitate the submission of personal data or maintaining a minimum balance. Is staking Ethereum a good idea? Staking Ethereum can be a smart long-term investment strategy, boosting your overall Ethereum holdings through additional yield. However, it's important to consider the trade-off. Staking requires locking your Ethereum for several months, limiting liquidity. While platforms like Lido can help mitigate risks, it's crucial to note that market sentiments can rapidly change, potentially affecting the ETH ratio. The stablecoin market crash in May 2022 serves as a reminder of this risk. Your decision should primarily depend on your investment timeline and willingness to hold on to Ethereum for the staking period. Ethereum 2.0 staking, post-merge, is a significant leap forward in the world of blockchain technology. It's a testament to Ethereum's commitment to innovation, scalability, and sustainability. With this transformative upgrade, Ethereum holders become active contributors to network security while reaping exciting rewards. It's all about fostering a vibrant and inclusive ecosystem that encourages everyone to participate. So here was all of it. Let's just wrap up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more informative videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.